Now, if you want to draw the graph of fractional part function, we know that when suppose x lies between 0 and 1, now in this case, this x itself is a fraction, right? Its value is 0.1, 0.2, 0.3. So in this case, its fraction part of x is simply x. So if I have to draw this graph, so what I'll do is, I'll draw the axis. So between 0 and 1, this is simply y is equal to x line. So this is simply x. Now what if when x lies between 1 and 2? Suppose x is 1.2. So what is fraction part of 1.2? Fraction part of 1.2 is simply 0.2. Or I can say it is simply 1.2 minus 1. Or in other words, I can say if x lies between 1 and 2, then x is greatest function of x plus fraction part of x. Between 1 and 2, greatest function of x is simply 1. So in this case, fraction part of x will be x minus 1. So if I draw this graph, I'll get this line. Now again for the next one, if x lies between n and n plus 1, where n is an integer, so in this case, x is greater function of x plus fraction part of x. So fraction part of x is simply x minus, now greater function x value will be n. So it will be simply x minus n. So if I'll keep drawing this graph, so that is the graph of y equals fraction part of x. And from the graph, we can again see that this value, fraction part of x value, will always lie between 0 and 1. And also that this graph is a periodic function because this pattern, it repeats itself after every 1 unit. So this is a periodic function. And its fundamental period is 1 unit. So that is the graph of fractional part of x.
If you like the video, consider subscribing and sharing it with someone you know who might benefit from it. Also, the best way to navigate any topic is through a playlist. Simply go to the channel page, click playlist, and select the topic you wish to study.